Hello everyone, today we will compare Skool and Clickfunnels, two powerful online platforms in the world. So Skool is an innovative platform designed for creating and managing online communities and courses. It combines social networking features with educational tools, making it ideal for educators and influencers who want to engage their audience and deliver valuable content. While ClickFunnels, on the other hand, is a comprehensive marketing and sales funnel builder that helps businesses create landing page, sales page, and complete sales funnel. So it's perfect for entrepreneurs also. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer and support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till then because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Skool and ClickFunnels, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when it comes to community building, Skool offers a community feature that allows users to create and join groups based on interests and goals, while ClickFunnels, not a core feature but possible though through integration. So when it comes to online courses, Skool has unlimited access to wide range of educational resources and tutorials, while ClickFunnels has course creation and sales funnel tools available. When it comes to user interface, Skool has a clean and intuitive interface while ClickFunnels has drag and drop website and landing page builder. When it comes to engagement tools, Skool has personalized engagement tools like leaderboards, while ClickFunnels has marketing automation and workflows. When it comes to gamification, Skool has gamified approach to keep members engaged, while ClickFunnels not explicitly mentioned but can be implemented through various features. So when it comes to CRM, Skool is designed for educational institution, while ClickFunnels has built-in CRM with customer relationship management feature. So yes, that's it for the features comparison. Let's go to the pricing comparison. So when it comes to monthly plan, Skool offers them to up to $99 per month, while ClickFunnels offers them up to $147 per month of their plan. When it comes to annual plan, Skool not specified, but they offers a 14-day free trial for that. While ClickFunnels has $127 on annual plan, and it is a basic plan if you paid it annually. So when it comes to free trial, so this is it. So Skool, as I said earlier, or as you can see, they offer 14 days trial. Same thing with ClickFunnels. So they offer 2 weeks trial. When it comes to transaction fees, Skool offers 2.9% transaction fees, while ClickFunnels, they don't specify their transaction fee. And yes, that's it. It is a simple pricing comparison. So now let's go to the performance comparison. So when it comes to page load speed, so Skool not explicitly mentioned, while ClickFunnels is reported notoriously slow page load speed. So kind of bad. When it comes to ease of use, Skool is a user-friendly and easy to navigate tool, while ClickFunnels they involves a learning curve for that. And when it comes to customization, Skool same thing again, not explicitly mentioned, while ClickFunnels is highly customizable with integration, APIs, and webhooks. And when it comes to reliability, same thing again, not mentioned, while ClickFunnels are known for sophisticated online sales funnels. So yes, that's it for the performance comparison. So now let's go directly to the customer and support. So when it comes to availability, Skool has email and live chat during business hours only available, while ClickFunnels has email and chat support but limited to regular business hours. So same thing. So when it comes to response time, Skool they don't mention it, while ClickFunnels their email support is slow to respond. When it comes to support channels, Skool and ClickFunnels, same thing. They have email, live chat, and chat support. And last thing, when it comes to self-help options, Skool has help docs, tutorials, while ClickFunnels, they don't mention it. So yes, that's it for the customer and support, performance, features, and pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to the pros and cons. And let's start discussing the Skool pros and cons. So when it comes to Skool pros, Skool is designed with a focus on community building and engagement, and it offers an outstanding user experience with an easy to learn and navigate interface. The platform uses gamification to keep members engaged and motivated. And lastly, they are user friendly and straightforward, making it accessible to anyone without prior experience. So when it comes to cons, Skool lacks built-in video hosting, which can be a significant drawback for course creators. And the prices, some users may find Skool expensive compared to other community platforms. So that's it for the Skool pros and cons. So let's go directly to the ClickFunnels pros and cons. So when it comes to pros, they have advanced sales funnels. ClickFunnels excels in creating sophisticated online sales funnels to convert visitors into leads and customers. They offers a high degree of customization with variety of sales funnels, templates, and advanced features. They provides a comprehensive set of tools of marketing, sales, and CRM in one platform. So when it comes to cons, ClickFunnels page load speed is known as a slow and which can affect users' experience, and they involves a steep learning curve which might be challenging for beginners, and they are more expensive than many competitors, which could be a barrier for small businesses and startups. So now we are done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start that by discussing who should choose Skool. So Skool is a referable for content creators and educators who want to build and manage online communities around their brand or courses. Perfect for those involved in coaching, consulting, or any kind of information businesses looking for a platform that emphasizes community engagement. For individuals or businesses seeking a user-friendly platform that combines course hosting and interactive community features. And lastly, for entrepreneurs who prefer a platform that is easy and enjoyable to use for both themselves and their customers. So if you have all of this quality, I recommend that you choose Skool. And yeah, that's it. So for the people who should choose ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels is referable for businesses and entrepreneurs who need to create sophisticated online sales funnels to convert visitors into lead and customers. For marketers, growth hackers, SMBs, agency, and enterprise looking for a comprehensive marketing solution. For individuals who want to leave their 9 to 5 job and build a business of their own. And lastly, for those who need advanced marketing tools like A&B testing and email workflows to reach a wider target audience. So if you have all of this quality, ClickFunnels is the best for you. So that's it. So in conclusion, choosing the right platform can make a significant difference in the way you engage with your audience and manage your online businesses. Skool shines with community-focused features and user-friendly experience, making it ideal for those who prioritize interaction and education. And on the other hand, ClickFunnels stands out for its robust sales of funnels capabilities and marketing tools, perfect for businesses looking to optimize their sales process and conversion rates. So both platforms offer unique strengths that cater to different needs. It's not just about the features, it's about what works best for you and your audience. So take the time to consider your goals, your business model, and the kind of community you want to build or the type of customers you're aiming to attract. So with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. And also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.